48 inches across the front for the width. The depth is 26 inches, and the effective working height from the rating to the top of the cabinet is about 23 inches. This is a dual opening cabinet. It opens up like a clamshell right in the middle to put your bigger parts in. And then there's the side door, smaller parts. On the back of the unit, we have a place for a spring assembly which comes with the unit. Look at the clip here, and then there's two places on the foot extensions to lift the bottom part, and you've got a good spring assisted lifting mechanism. Back braces give it stability when the top is open. And the unit comes with a light fixture and an assembly where you can plug your dust collector in. It will shut on and off the unit when you turn it off at the top. The gun system, 14 CFM gun system operated with the foot pedal. 14 CFM ceramic nozzle. The foot pedal. Supply air from your compressor comes through the other extension here into the foot pedal, and then the supply air of the cabinet goes from the foot pedal, which is already assembled when you get it, to the safety valve, and that shuts the gun on and off when the cabinet is open. The construction of the cabinet is 16 gauge steel. You've got a metal grating here. You put your material in either through the side door or through the open hopper, and we recommend glass bead, aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, or perhaps plastic iron. We do not recommend sand because of the health risk. When you blast it with the material and it starts to get worn out and lose effectiveness, you simply drain it down at the bottom. There's a little cap down here. You can release the clamp, dump it into a bucket, clamp it right back up. To operate the unit, you don't need any more than 10 or 15 pounds at a time. Inside the hopper, there's a metal tube with a little slide sleeve on it. In that slide sleeve, there's a hole which is used to allow air to mix with the sand as it's coming up. If it's fully closed, chances are you may have too much suction and it will plug the hose together. So that's really an adjustment dimension. The window is 25 by 10 plexiglass. It comes with a mylar shield on the underside of it to protect it from the glass. Those are replaceable. We sell them in a 12-pack. So it's a good idea to have a 12-pack on hand. When it gets frosted up, you can replace it. Easy peel off and stick on. This unit comes with a DC 1500 dust collector. It has dual filters. There's a bag filter in the bottom, and in the top there's a cartridge filter right before the motor, which separates out the very fine particles. The secret here is to have a clean operating system. You need to keep this clean. The unit is made of 16 gauge steel. It's welded construction. The legs are 2x2 by 1/8 inch angle iron, and painted with good solid powder coat paint, which should never be a problem.